मैडम इधर 1 मिनट थोड़ा स्माइल
Okay. Yeah, okay. Look here. Anana Kodi. Look here, madam. Everybody look here. Center.
मैडम दिसा look here
Center.
मैडम मैडम
Madam here.
मैडम दिसा look here
Don't cut. Hello, look here.
मैडम मैडम
अरे इधर आइए. हाँ. सर थोड़ा इधर हटिए. मैडम इधर हटिए.
ఎవరో చెయ్యి
हाँ राइट ओके डन.
मैडम मैडम इటు చూడండి मैडम
కట్ చేయి
मैडम here look here.
కట్
ओके कट करो
కెమెరా లెన్స్ అరే
అన్న కట్ చేయించాను అన్న
Good luck, guys.
रानी रानी पीछे का. हाँ ये इधर से.
You're happy now?
Yes. Look here.
Yeah, they want you that.
मैडम 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 दिस साइड ఓకే ఒకసారి మీరు కూడా తీసుకోండి మేడం ఒకసారి మేడం మ్యామ్ మ్యామ్
Start. Hello Hyderabad. Once again we are here. Your most favorite show, The Heart. After 3 months we have done in show March. Again we are in July. And people of Hyderabad, we know people of Hyderabad is really eagerly waiting for our show. And we have come back to them. We have lot of varieties this time. Exhibitors from different cities. From Kolkata, from Jaipur, from Bangalore, from Mumbai, from Delhi, from Ahmedabad, and lot of cities are there, Hyderabad itself. We have so many different kind of products, bridal wear, jewelry, tunics, suits, saris, home furnishing, silver jewelry, kids stall is also there, bags is also there. Everything whatever you need for fulfill your wardrobe, you will be getting here at the Heart. We are here for 3 days, 16th to 18th of this month, July, today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Timing 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. And mostly you are following all the COVID safety protocols like wearing the mask. Don't forget to wear your mask before entering the exhibition. And hope you will enjoy our show and love you all. Thank you. We have total 60 exhibitors here. Okay.
Hello Hyderabad, this is Sonia Actresses. Like I've been visited this place for the first time, but I felt like Heart is a place where the heart it is. Like the best part of the Heart is like they got all the they got all the things from all the different countries and they've been exhibited in a single place. That's what thank you.
I think they're doing a wonderful thing here because everybody after the COVID, everyone is at home, and as of now, I think it's a chance for everyone to come out and actually refresh your wardrobes also. Even if you have to work from home, also I'm sure there are a lot of things that you can pick up for only those things. And of course, we are not with the mask right now because here everything is taken care and we are sanitized. Inside, all the safety protocols are also taken care of. And I'm sure, with the coming festive season and everything, I think this is a chance for us to actually go and explore some good clothing. There's jewelry. There's a kids store also for your kids to be left there, in case if you want to come and shop. So all the very best, and I'm sure they'll do well. Thank you.